So you're thinking about moving to Northeast Florida, and you'd really like a concrete block home. You'd like to live not too far from the Jacksonville, Florida area. Well, I'm in Palm Coast, Florida. We're about 50 minutes south of the Jacksonville city limits, and I've got customers that love this builder, Maronda Homes, that I'm featuring today. They love this particular floor plan that I'm going to show you today, called the Livorno. And I apologize that I let the sun get behind me, which probably isn't showing it that well right this moment, but trust me, it is a beautiful home. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of it. It can be built as a 4 or 5 bedroom home. It can be built with a 2 or 3 car garage. It's a little over 3,000 square feet. There's no stairs to climb, 4 bedrooms or 5 bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful home behind me here, and we're getting started right now. Welcome to Palm Coast, Florida, where you're never more than 20 minutes from the sand. Life here is easy and convenient, with top-tier shopping and everyday essentials right around the corner. Take a stroll along the iconic Flagler Beach and soak in that laid-back coastal charm. With miles of untouched coastline along A1A, your perfect quiet escape is always waiting. All right, a quick sidebar on Palm Coast. I have a realtor friend of mine, and she likes to refer to Palm Coast, the way the streets are set up here, she refers to it as alphabet soup. No, this is not a cooking channel. This is a real estate channel. But the reason that she refers to it as alphabet soup is because the streets in this town are set up so that the B section, all of the streets start with B, the letter B. The C section, all of the streets start with the letter C, and so on and so forth. I'm going to put up a little map so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, because it sounds a little bit different, and it is. That's Palm Coast for you. But just wanted you to know that, because if somebody says, what section is it in, and they reference a letter, that's what that's all about. It's the Livorno model home. This is part of the Renaissance series by Maronda Homes, and you all are gonna love this place. Looking back at the front of the home, and this home has 10 and 11 foot ceilings. You have lots of options, structural options in this home. Tray ceilings, you can do solid surface flooring throughout. You can build this home with a 2 or a 3 car garage. Maronda has home sites available, 1/4 acre home sites. So first and foremost, off to our right here, you're going to have this beautiful office space, which they have set up as an office. Beautiful glass double doors. Look at the width of these hallways. We're going to make a turn to our left. This will be the first of 4 bedrooms. Again, this home is 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. This model is shown with a 3 car garage, but you can build it with a 2 car garage if that's what you prefer. This is the first of 3 full bathrooms. This one is frameless glass shower, tiled to the ceiling. Of course, they have counter height cabinets. This one has the taller toilets, of course, in it that people want. This is where your air handler is. Across the hallway, you have this gorgeous flex space. They've added crown molding all the way around. Look at this gorgeous ceiling. Of course, those are LED can lights throughout the ceiling of this home. Across the way here, we have this beautiful coffee, wine bar, wet bar setup. We're going to go forward. You have a nice hall closet here, linen closet. We're going to make a turn to our right. This will be bedroom number 2. Nice walk-in closet here. This is bedroom number 3. This is where they have all the goodies for your design enjoyment. All the flooring options, tile options, exterior stone for your different elevations that you can choose on this home. Elevations are the way the home looks outside, of course. They have engineered vinyl plank as an option if that's what you want. And a lot of people do choose it. It's pretty gorgeous. If you want to do plank tile, of course you can do that as well. So many people tell me they don't want carpet in the bedrooms. If they don't want carpet in the bedrooms, you don't have to get carpet in the bedrooms. If you want carpet in the bedrooms, you can get carpet in the bedrooms. It's what you want. It's what your budget is set up for. This is the second full bathroom, dual sinks. Got a nice walk-in tub shower combination. Again, you got the higher toilets. And look here to our left, you have an opening out onto your optional screened-in lanai, which runs nearly the whole back length of the home. And of course you could put a swimming pool out there because you're gonna have enough room on your lot for one. Moving forward. The big reveal on this incredible kitchen. You think this island is long enough? Real quick, if we haven't met before, my name's Jay Wike. I'm a local realtor here in the Jacksonville, Florida area. I've been helping people relocate here for many years now, and reach out to me if I can help you if you have any questions about Palm Coast or any community in the Jacksonville, Florida area. My phone number and email address will be pinned in the comments as well as in the description of this video. Reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. Of course, they've got tiled backsplash, soft close cabinets, got a fully vented range hood, so many drawers, cabinets, undermount sink. Stainless steel appliances. Beautiful set of chef's ovens. Over here, the counter space continues. Got your refrigerator here, obviously, but look at the counter space to the left, over the refrigerator, and to the right. This beautiful flooring, they continued this throughout the whole home. Pantry here. Incredible laundry room. Beautiful cabinets. A nice sink. I'm going to show you the garage.
Garage door open.
So this is your 3-car garage. Of course, you've got your hot water heater over there, electrical panel. And the garage has got finished walls and baseboard. This incredible open floor plan. All of this living area. 11-foot ceilings in here. Of course, you can go out onto your screened-in lanai, enjoy your Florida living here in Palm Coast, Florida, in Flagler County.
Front door open.
And we are in the owner's suite, which is magnificent. We've got tray ceilings in here with crown molding, large windows, nice area here for lounging. Even more space over here. Step into your bathroom, and here you have your closets, which of course have doors on them. Off to the right and off to the left. Incredible counters here, dual sinks. Off to our right, we have this very large walk-in shower, tile to the ceiling, beautiful transom window. It's got the rain shower head and a bench seat. Another shower head over here. Of course, you got your main one here. And here you have the water closet again with the higher toilets. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tour of this Livorno floor plan by Maronda Homes here in beautiful Palm Coast, Florida. This home again is concrete block construction. They can build on scattered lots. They can build in a master plan community as well, which I have a video coming out about that if that interests you and you want all those amenities. Otherwise, scattered lots, no HOA, no CDD. They have inventory homes, or they can build to suit, and they do have lots available. Reach out to me. My contact information is pinned in the comments as well as in the description. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.